Hey guys, what's up? This is me Monica. I'm back with a new video about creating custom business email. Actually, what do you understand by business email? It is simply an email used specifically for your organization that includes company's domain name. Talking about need a business email, it makes your company look professional and makes your service appear more trustworthy that enhance business communications. Similarly, you might be thinking, what's the difference between personal email and business email? We can compare them with the formal and informal emails or talks. Personal email or an ordinary email is used for every purposes, whereas business emails are only used for business communication. So here in this video, we are going to create business email and link it with the Gmail by adding forwarder. Now, let's move for the first step about creating business email. First of all, get logged into your hosting cPanel. So here I'm in my cPanel and now we are going to create business email account. Here you can see the option of email account. Go into it. Now here you can see WP Belief is our system email. Now we are going to create the business email having the domain name at the rate WP Belief. So now here we want to create the email. So let's go to create option. Now you can see here the domain is wpbelief.com, and now here you have to enter the email address, or we can say email username that you want to create. Like I want to create learn WordPress. Okay, here now my business email username will be learnwordpress at the rate wpbelief.com. Now here in this password section you can see the two options, set password now or send login link to alternate email address. I'm going to set the password now. So if you want to set the password of yourself, you can set or you can generate from here. But remember the password. Here I'm going to keep the password. Okay, now I have kept the password and now let's go to the optional setting. Here just click on this edit setting and now you can see here several options available. Here it is given about the storage space which you want. I want unlimited one, so let me click on it, or if you want some limited storage then you can choose from here. Similarly here now you can see here another optional setting about automatically create folders for plus addressing. If you want automatically create your folders then you can select on automatically create folders, otherwise you can click on this one. And next option is about send a welcome email with instructions, so we'll let it be clicked. And now let's go for creating, but if you want to stay on same page then you can select it too. So now let's go for creating. Now here we have successfully created our business email of the username learnwordpress@wpbelief.com. Then moving towards second step about creating email forward. Here you might be thinking, why to create email forward? The reason is that creating an email forward will forward all the emails coming to your business email to an inbox where you can read your mails. So to create the email forward, go here back to the home, and then here you can see the option for forwarders. Click on it. Now here we want to add the forwarder, so let's go to click on add forward. Now here you have to write the address to forward. I mean, you have to write here, we can see username of your business email which we have recently created. Here it is learn WordPress and the @wpbelief.com is already given. Okay, then moving toward here forward to email address. In which email or we can see Gmail account you want this business email to be linked with. And now when it is done, click on add forwarder. Here now you can see all emails sent to learnwordpress@wpbelief.com now will be copied to this your Gmail account. So now let's go back. Here you can see our forwarder is also successfully added. So now it is added, but let's check it. In order to check it, let me send a message, or I can say let me send the email from a random Gmail. Let's check it. So So now here I'm going to send to lawnwordpress@wpbelief.com. So now let me send it. Now it is sent to lawnwordpress@wpbelief.com. So let us check to our inbox. And so here now you can see this email has been arrived to the added Gmail account which we have linked with business email. Here you can see this email was sent from this random Gmail to lawnwordpress@wpbelief.com. When you will click on this drop down arrow, you can see it was sent to the lawnwordpress@wpbelief.com. Here we have linked this business email with this Gmail account, so that's why we are receiving the emails to this Gmail by adding the forwarder. So now you will be able to receive business emails to your Gmail inbox. Now, if you will try to reply to this email, then you can see it will go from our Gmail ID. But we want it to be sent from our business email. So how can we do it? Now let's see how to add business email to Gmail. For that, go to your inbox and here you can see the option of setting. Then click here see all settings. Here we want to add accounts, so let's go to accounts and import. We are going to add another email address, then click on another email address. And now here you can type the name which you want to give. I'm typing here WP Belief. And now here give the email address that was business email address. Click on next step. Now here you have to get the details. Now in order to fulfill these details, go back to your cPanel and just go to home. Go click on email accounts. Then so now in this business email, let's go to check email. Swipe down and here you can see the option of configure mail client. Click on it. Now are you going to fill these details into it? So right here the username lawnwordpress@wpbelief.com. Similarly we have to change the port to, and our port is 465. Now here the password, this password is the password which you have kept while making this business email. So now you have to type here the password. So then click on add account. So now you have to enter here the verification or confirmation code which is sent to your Gmail account. Let us check it. And now here the confirmation Gmail has been sent. Let me copy this code and paste here. So now let me verify. So now we have successfully created our business email. When you will go back and again go to the setting, see all setting and accounts and import, then you can see your this account has been added. So now we have successfully created our business email. So when I will go back and go to inbox and when I will reply to this, so now when you will click this drop down arrow, then you can see here the two options. Either you want to send from your Gmail or your from business email. So now if you want to make this business email as a default, go again back to the setting, see all setting, and there, and again go to accounts and import and make it as a default. Now it is default set, and when you will recheck it, so here now you can see it is by default WP Belief has been added. Similarly, what if you want to create multiple business email? That's not a big problem. You can create multiple business email in one domain. So for that, repeat same process and in this way you can create and use business email. Hope now you have understood the way of creating business email. And if you want to watch a video about getting free domain and hosting, then click on this link which is visible on the screen or given in the description box. Also, make sure that you have liked and subscribed to our channel for never missing any updates. Thank you.